You ready for a super easy project? I'm ready for a super easy one. Let's make a cake stand out of these things from Walmart. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I have this bowl and plate from Walmart, and let me just ask this question first and foremost. Why do they put the stickers on, but they're all in pieces? And it takes like forever to get them off. Like they come off easy enough, but they're in all these segments. Come on, Walmart, do better. Anyways, you're going to take the stickers off the bottom of the plate and the bowl. And they were super cheap, by the way. They were under $1 each. And then what I did was I used some rubbing alcohol just to make sure that the bottom was free of any oils or anything like that. Yeah, see, it goes on forever. For the love of Jiminy Crickets. Come on. Anyways, I digress. Here we go. We're going to wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol, both bottom of plate and bowl. And if you're curious, I got this at Dollar Tree. I put rubbing alcohol in it, and it's a little like dispenser. You just press on the top, and you get rubbing alcohol right onto your container. I mean, oh my gosh, why are words so stupid hard? On your cloth. All right, so then I have these little pieces of wood. You could repurpose things if you wanted, but I'm using some just wood rounds that I had gotten. I'm using some Liquid Fusion. You could use E6000, that would be great, but I'm allergic to it, so I can't. I'm also using some hot glue for immediate stick, but the Liquid Fusion is there for, So anyways, I'm putting this circle on it because basically what I'm trying to do is see how there's like an indent on the bowl, and we want it to have as much contact as possible with the plate so that it actually adheres and it stays that way. So I put the small one on the inside. I'm sure, is there an easier way to do this? Likely. Do I know it? No. Am I okay with it? Yes. All right, so then we're going to put some more Liquid Fusion on the bowl, and we're going to put our circle on it. We're also going to put some more hot glue on. Again, I'm just putting the hot glue on so that it sticks immediately. I do not mix my hot glue with my permanent glue. I don't know why. I feel like it's a Ghostbusters thing, and you should never mix the streams. Whatever, it's fine. Anyways, so then we put them together. Ta-da! And now we've got a nice flat surface so that the plate will have greater contact with the bowl. And we're going to do the same process. Here we go. Rinse and repeat. We're going to put some more glue on the back. And again, I'm doing Liquid Fusion. I got my Liquid Fusion, by the way, at Michael's. I think you could get it almost anywhere. And then again, I'm using my hot glue gun for immediate. And I am using the Gorilla Glue sticks, if that makes any difference. And then we're going to put our plate, attach it to the bowl. I bring the bowl to the plate. Do it however you would like. Is mine off? Yes. But I'm off too, and I'm pretty okay. So I'm not mad at this not being perfect. But stop it. And that was as easy as it gets. You do have to let it set, but come on, look at how cute. Put this on a table, use it for your cake or snacks or whatever. It's just adorable. I don't care who you are. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.